If you've got the new iPad Pro M5, you already know it's an absolute powerhouse. But without the right keyboard case, you're only using half its potential. In today's video, we're checking out the best keyboard cases for the iPad Pro M5, cases that can turn your tablet into a full-on laptop setup. From sleek magnetic stands to glowing backlights, let's dive in. Number 1. Sackei Typecase Keyboard Case. If you're after an all-in-one keyboard case that's as versatile as your lifestyle, the Sackei Typecase is a total game changer. This design lets you switch effortlessly between reading, typing, and sketching modes, whether you're getting work done or watching your favorite shows. The detachable wing shell back case weighs just 110 grams, keeping things slim and travel-friendly without sacrificing protection. What really stands out are its N54H magnets, giving you an incredibly secure magnetic lock that feels sturdy every time you snap your iPad into place. The magnetic floating stand smoothly adjusts up to 135 DEG, perfect for work or relaxation. Plus, the 33% larger touchpad means more control and precision for tasks like editing or browsing. And when the lights go down, the 11-color backlit keyboard makes typing not just easier, but way more fun. It's sleek, stable, and built to make your iPad feel like a premium workstation anywhere you go. Number 2. ESR iPad Pro Keyboard Case. The ESR keyboard case, a top pick if you want to work from anywhere with true laptop-level performance. This case instantly transforms your iPad into a productivity hub with its strong magnetic stand that floats your screen at just the right angle. Typing, browsing, or sketching feels natural, and you can easily detach the back case for hands-on use when needed. The flexible design even offers multiple viewing modes, so whether you're on FaceTime or watching a movie, you'll always find the perfect setup. The large multi-touch trackpad is super responsive, letting you swipe, scroll, and tap with precision. No lag, no frustration. What's great is ESR's attention to the details, full body protection, easy setup videos, and a 12-month warranty to back it all up. If you want a case that balances productivity, comfort, and peace of mind, this one nails it. Number 3. Logitech Keyboard Case. When it comes to performance and reliability, Logitech never disappoints. Their iPad Pro keyboard case is built for people who want versatility without compromise. You can switch seamlessly between typing, sketching, or watching, all thanks to its flexible kickstand and detachable keyboard. The large multi-touch trackpad is one of the most impressive features here, letting you glide, pinch, and scroll just like on a MacBook. Plus, it's powered by smart connector technology, which means you don't even have to charge it. It draws power directly from your iPad. The build quality is classic Logitech, sturdy, protective, yet lightweight enough to carry anywhere. And the backlit keyboard, absolutely perfect for working late into the night with adjustable brightness that suits your mood. Even better, the case is made from certified recycled plastic, combining eco-friendly design with top-tier functionality. If you want a balance of comfort, durability, and intuitive control, Logitech's got you covered. Number 4. RAYMCRAFT Keyboard Case. The RAYMCRAFT keyboard case is for those who love both elegance and performance. With its 11-color backlit keyboard, you can type smoothly even in the dark, choosing a color that fits your vibe. The keys feel responsive and natural, and the backlight brightness can be adjusted to your comfort level. The PU leather with semi-Cytec coating gives it a soft, luxurious touch that resists stains and sweat. Just wipe and go. Inside, the fluffy lining keeps your iPad safe from scratches, while the safe magnetic buckle ensures your device stays secure when traveling. There's even a built-in stylus storage slot so your Apple Pencil is always within reach. The magnetic floating stand allows for smooth angle adjustments, perfect for typing or streaming, and the whole setup is built for work from anywhere flexibility, lightweight, protective, and stylish. This one's ideal for people who want their iPad to look as premium as it performs. Number 5. Runelk Keyboard Case. Finally, the Runelk keyboard case, a true multitasker that brings laptop-like convenience to your iPad. Its easy select magnetic stand lets you attach and lift your iPad into the perfect floating position in one smooth motion. The built-in multi-touch trackpad gives you precise control with full gesture support for swiping, editing, and browsing. You also get a full row of iPad OS shortcuts, so adjusting brightness, volume, or music takes just one tap. What's really impressive is its battery life. With a 750 mAh capacity, you can type daily for months without recharging. When it's time to power up, the USB-C fast charging makes it effortless. The adjustable backlight lets you work comfortably day or night, while the case's compact design keeps everything portable and professional. For students, travelers, or professionals, the Runelk case gives your iPad Pro M5 the productivity boost it truly deserves.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.